Mighty profiles are the heart and soul of your Mighty network. To get to your profile, click on your icon here and then click your name. It will open up your profile where you can edit your profile photo, see any badges that you have, edit your About Me section, see things like your role. If you have any custom profile questions, those will appear here as well. And you have a location and personal links, which can be links out to your social media or other websites. If you have the People Explorer enabled, you can scroll over profile photos and check out other members that may have similar interests as you. If I go ahead and click on this profile here, I can go ahead and select View Profile, and I will see that there are similarities that I have between this member, and it will surface them both because we have both filled out our profile. This is also an AI feature called Show Similarities. We strongly suggest that you have members fill out their member profiles so that they can find each other and make connections in your Mighty network.